We are here at our 2026 Learn and Earn Camp, sponsored by USAA with support from the Dallas Education Foundation. Our amazing Dallas ISD CTE department puts these camps on, and we have 4 of them going on throughout the city of Dallas. We have Vitals Camp going on at Methodist Hospital. We have a Vitals Camp at Children's Hospital.
I liked learning how to intubate. I did it on the first try. It was really cool.
We have our Biz Camp at UNT Dallas.
This camp has been great.
Here at business camp, I'm creating my own business and presenting it in front of judges.
And we have our Tech Camp, which is at SMU.
These camps have given me the entry level in my software engineering field.
Not only are they learning the skills in their field that they need to be successful, but they are also earning a weekly stipend.
It has been wonderful. It has taught me about money management. I've saved all of my money so far, which I am proud of.
And this year, we were so excited to add a hospitality camp for 2 weeks at the Sheraton. And extra exciting, we have CTE interns at all of our camps.
Today, I'm here just taking photos of the students at Biz Camp, and I've been interviewing them about their experience here.
I've created posters, videos.
We are just so grateful to USAA for being an amazing partner. This is the 2nd year of this initiative.
As a teacher this year, it's almost like retracing those steps and guiding them from the same route that it came from is just absolutely amazing.
It's just so exciting to see how much they've grown throughout these 3 weeks.
Thank you, USAA.
Thank you, USAA.
Thank you, USAA.
Thank you, Dallas Education Foundation.